What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get user input from the user, obviously. And I'm not going to talk much while I'm coding, but at the end I'll go over all the lines of code and I'll explain what's happening. So we're going to get the string, we're going to get the integer, and we're going to get a date time as well as a double. So let's just get right into it. Making so many typing mistakes. So now that we have it outputting the summary of all the inputs we get from the user, we can add in some error checking so the program doesn't crash if we type in a bad number. So I'll just show you guys here what it's like right now without the error detection. So what's your name? Bob. Hello, Bob. What's your height in inches? If I type in 78, let's say I make $25.50 an hour, and let's say I was born in 1988, January 10th. Now it outputs all the information, but if we type in an input that it's not expecting, so what's your height in inches? If I type in high, it's going to give us an error, format exception. So if we X that out, then we can put a try catch around here. And if you don't know what a try catch is, I can explain that in a future video. Just leave a comment. Nope, that's not it. There we go. So let's just copy this in here for now. Actually, we'll just copy all this for good luck. All right. So that should work. So what's your name, Bob? And if I type in high again, it's just going to type out the error. Now, instead of that, we can put a do while in here and make it a lot better. So let's do that. So do while bool valid input equals false, while not valid input. And then we can paste this in here. Then we'll put in here so that should work, but we actually want that if it's true. And valid input equals true. We'll give the user some clues. All right. Oh. Okay. So just deleting the wrong things here. All right, this should work. Let's try it out. Oh. And because it's not defined in here, it's not going to work. So let's just comment that out for now. Few scoping issues. So we'll type in Bob. What's your height in inches? So if we type in 79, it's going to work fine, right? But if we try that again, and type in Bob, what's your height in inches? 70, and then put an H. That didn't work again. Now that's because it would have hit this line here and it would have broken. So what we can do is, so after a bit of debugging, I decided to change the way I was going to do it, and I still have the while, but instead of it being a do while, I have it the while at the top. And I also put height in inches outside of the while. And what else did I do? I changed it so instead of just getting the input and doing an if statement, I did a try parse. So what this line does is it just gets the user input, and if it's correct, if it's an integer type, then it will put the value in height and inches. And so we just have this little if statement here that I added, and it will let the user know that it's not in the correct format. So let's try this out. So what's your name? Bob. And what's your height in inches? Let's say 55. Now that works. And I'll show it not working as well. So Bob, and let's just say hi again. It says Bob. That is not the correct format. Try again. What's your information? No, I'm not trying again. Bob, that is not the correct format. 88. And there you go. It continues to work. So I recommend using a bit of error checking, both with a try catch and until you keep going until you get the correct user input. So that's all for today's video, and let me know if you guys enjoyed and leave a comment. Thanks.